Moon Beom, born in 1955, is a South Korean contemporary artist known for his abstract and meditative paintings that bridge the gap between traditional Korean aesthetics and modern artistic techniques. His work is deeply influenced by nature, often evoking landscapes, atmospheric effects, and organic formations through his signature use of layered acrylic paint and meticulous, controlled brushwork. Rather than depicting recognizable scenery, Moonbyum's art suggests an emotional or spiritual connection to nature, capturing its ephemeral qualities through texture, movement, and subtle gradations of color.